Ever wondered how programmers make their code easier to understand? Even for their future self, it's with something super simple, comments. In this video, I will show you exactly how to write comments in Python the smart way, and trust me, it's gonna save you hours in debugging. Hey everyone, welcome back again. In the previous video, we have covered data structures in Python. Check out the link is in the description. In today's video, we are going to see comments in Python. Hey guys, now we are going to see what is comments in Python. Here, comments are lines in your code that Python completely ignores. Here you see, this is a comment, here the line of code, but we are using the hash symbol in front of this line, so Python will completely ignore this line. Let me run this and see what happened. Here you see, we get only hello world in our console, but this is a comment. It is completely ignored by the Python. It did not get any error in the console, and it did not get print in the console because Python completely ignores it. And it is used to describe what the line of code is doing. Here you see, this prints a greeting. Here, this comment is used to describe what this code is doing. So that's it for single line comment in Python. Now we are going to see what is multi-line comment in Python. Here you see, we are just written this is line 1 and this is line 2 and this is line 3. Here you see, we just use the hash symbol in front of each line to describe this is a comment. So this is now a multi-line comment because we are just used the hash symbol in all the lines. And we can use the another different way is using the single quotes, single triple quotes in front and back side of the paragraph to describe it is a comment or multi-line comment in Python. Let me run this. Here you see we get nothing because it is a comment. Python will completely ignore this. So that's it for multi-line comment in Python. It is used to describe a code, what's the code is doing. So this is useful for future use. Now we are going to see what is docstring in comments. Here inside the greet function, we are going to print hello. Here you see this function greets the user. It is a comment. Now I'm going to run this program by call the greet method. Let me run this. Here you see we get hello. Why we are using this comment inside the block of code? Because this will be neglected by Python and it is used to describe what's the code inside and what the code is doing inside the block of code. Here you see this function greets the user. What it greets? Greets hello. So this line is used to describe or define what's the code inside the block is doing. Okay, how do we get this code to print in our console? Okay, by using the print function and use the greet, the function name, don't call it, and use the dot. Here you see it has so many built-in functions. We are going to use the doc. Here you see the doc. Let me run this. Here you see we get the hello, which is present in the print function, and you can see we get this function greets the user because we are printing the doc inside the greet function and which is present here. So that's it for docstring in Python. Awesome! Now you understand commands in Python. This small habit can seriously level up your code clarity. The next videos, we are continuing this Python journey step by step, starting with Python numbers and casting, the diving into strings, booleans, and all the core topics that make you confident with Python from basics to advanced. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share to your friends, and if you want the video in quick, please turn on the bell button. So, bye.